Alex, where are we right now?
We are on top of TRP. The greatest rooftops that we've ever hopped on.
I don't really hop on rooftops for a living. Oh, fuck. Oh, you okay?
When you get hurt, you're left at the same time.
Oh!
Imagine gets hurt, he laughs at the same time. He wasn't even on the board that time.
I saw them from behind the bush. All I heard was, ah!
He looks high.
It doesn't even look so good. Why is it scary? Fuck, my leg went like...
Dude, his leg went like here and then he felt...
Ow!
He wasn't even on his board.